UK Driving Theory Test 12.
Question 1. Can you wait or park by a curb bordered by a single yellow line?
Yes, you should refer to the nearby sign to see when you may park. No, you cannot wait or park here at any time. Yes, you can wait or park here at any time. You can only park here during the daytime.
Answer.
Yes, you should refer to the nearby sign to see when you may park.
Question 2. How should you brake during an emergency in a vehicle with ABS?
Brake firmly and consistently. Brake firmly, but not so firmly as to cause a skid. Use your parking brake to slow down. Apply your parking brake and your foot brake firmly.
Answer.
Brake firmly and consistently.
Question 3. A pedestrian has just started crossing the road into which you are turning. What should you do?
Sound your horn to stop the pedestrian. The pedestrian doesn't have priority, but let them cross anyway. Stop and wait for the pedestrian to cross. Quickly drive around the pedestrian.
Answer.
Stop and wait for the pedestrian to cross.
Question 4. What should you do after a breakdown on a single carriage way?
Use your hazard warning lights while your vehicle is on the roadway. Place a warning triangle at least 45 meters behind your car. Get your vehicle off the road if it is safe and possible. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above.
Question 5. What should you do if you are dazzled by the sun whilst driving?
A. Slow down or pull over if necessary. B. Continue at the same speed. C. Continue with your hazard lights on to warn others of your presence. Answers when C.
Answer.
A. Slow down or pull over if necessary.
Question 6. You see the words "School keep clear" near the curb. Can you stop here?
Yes, but only to pick up or set down school children. Yes, outside of school hours. No. Yes, but you must remain with your vehicle.
Answer.
No.
Question 7. You notice an area where the curb is lowered for easy pedestrian access. Can you park here?
No, you cannot. Yes, but only during the hours stated on a nearby sign. Yes, but only between 8:00 p.m. and 7:00 am. Yes, at any time.
Answer.
No, you cannot.
Question 8. You have broken down on the hard shoulder of the motorway and you are waiting for help to arrive. Where should you wait?
Inside your vehicle. Behind your vehicle. A good distance off the road, but within view of your vehicle. In front of your vehicle.
Answer.
A good distance off the road, but within view of your vehicle.
Question 9. You have parked on the roadside. What must you do before you vacate your vehicle?
Check your mirrors and blind spots. Not leave children or animals unattended in your car. Switch off your engine and apply your parking brake. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above.
Question 10. You are driving along a road with a speed limit of 70 miles per hour, 112 kilometers per hour. How fast must you drive?
At least at 70 miles per hour, 112 kilometers per hour. as fast as you want until you see a traffic camera. As close to 70 miles per hour, 112 kilometers per hour, as possible. At a safe speed that does not exceed 70 miles per hour, 112 kilometers per hour.
Answer.
At a safe speed that does not exceed 70 miles per hour, 112 kilometers per hour.
Question 11. You have parked on the side of a 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, road. Do you need to use your parking lights here?
Only at night. Yes, always. No, but you should leave your hazard warning lights on. No.
Answer.
Only at night.
Question 12. When can you cross a set of double white lines to pass another vehicle?
To pass a bicycle, horse or maintenance vehicle traveling at 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour, or less. Never. To pass a bicycle, horse or maintenance vehicle traveling 10 miles per hour, 16 kilometers per hour, or less. When the speed limit is below 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour.
Answer.
To pass a bicycle, horse or maintenance vehicle traveling 10 miles per hour, 16 kilometers per hour, or less.
Question 13. You approach a roadworks area. Are roadworks speed limits enforceable?
Only when workers are present. Yes, roadworks speed limits apply at all times. No, these are recommended speeds. Only during the day.
Answer.
Yes, roadworks speed limits apply at all times.
Question 14. Which one of the following is true about zebra crossings?
Drivers only need to slow once a pedestrian has begun to cross. Pedestrians should only cross if they can do so without stopping traffic. Drivers should stop and let waiting pedestrians cross. Motorists have priority at a zebra crossing.
Answer.
Drivers should stop and let waiting pedestrians cross.
Question 15. Can you overtake an operating snowplow?
No, you cannot pass a snowplow under any circumstances. Yes, but only if the lane you intend to overtake with has already been cleared. Yes, you can do it at any time. Yes, but only if it is not currently snowing.
Answer.
Yes, but only if the lane you intend to overtake with has already been cleared.
Question 16. At what times must you avoid non-emergency horn usage in a built-up area?
Between the hours of 11:30 p.m. and 7:00 am. At any time. Between the hours of 7:00 p.m. and 7:00 am. There are no time restrictions of horn usage around built-up areas.
Answer.
Between the hours of 11:30 p.m. and 7:00 am.
Question 17. How closely should you follow the car ahead in slow-moving traffic?
2 seconds. 4 seconds. No closer than 5 meters. At a close but safe distance.
Answer.
At a close but safe distance.
Question 18. You see a road with street lighting in a built-up area. What is the speed limit likely to be here?
50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour. 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers per hour. 70 miles per hour, 112 kilometers per hour. 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour.
Answer.
30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour.
Question 19, can you wait, load, unload, or park by a curb with a double yellow line?
You can park here at certain times. You can park for unlimited time here. No, you cannot park or wait here. All of the above.
Answer.
No, you cannot park or wait here.
Question 20, what should you do before you change lanes?
Look over your shoulder to check the lane is clear. Apply your indicators. Check your mirrors. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above.
Question 21, what should you do to your brakes after you have driven through deep water?
Brake firmly when safe to dry them out. Brake gently when safe to dry them out. Immediately use them. Nothing.
Answer.
Brake gently when safe to dry them out.
Question 22, you should occasionally check your grip when driving on icy roads. How might you do this?
Steer suddenly when on a gentle corner. Find somewhere quiet and then apply your brakes hard to see what happens. Find somewhere safe to brake gently. Find somewhere safe to accelerate hard.
Answer.
Find somewhere safe to brake gently.
Question 23, which lane should you use on a 3-lane dual carriage way?
Any lane. Only the left lane, except when overtaking. The right lane only. Only the right and center lanes, unless overtaking.
Answer.
Only the left lane, except when overtaking.
Question 24, what should you do when an ambulance with its lights and sirens approaches you from behind?
Stop. Continue on, the ambulance will find a way through. Try to let the ambulance through while complying with all road signs. Let the ambulance through, you may ignore any road signs in this situation.
Answer.
Try to let the ambulance through while complying with all road signs.
Question 25, what must you do when you drive through snowy weather?
Keep your hazard warning lights on. Avoid using fog lights. Clear all snow and ice from your car windows, lights and number plates. All of the above.
Answer.
Clear all snow and ice from your car windows, lights and number plates.
Question 26, can a vehicle with a top speed of 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour, drive on a dual carriageway?
Yes, but the vehicle must have an official escort. No, never. Yes, but the vehicle must display a flashing amber beacon. Yes, always.
Answer.
Yes, but the vehicle must display a flashing amber beacon.
Question 27, who must wear a seatbelt?
Seatbelts are mandatory for all passengers in built-up areas. Seatbelts are mandatory for all passengers. The driver and all passengers under 14. The driver and all passengers in the front seat.
Answer.
Seatbelts are mandatory for all passengers.
Question 28, you are parking a car with a manual gearbox against the curb facing up a hill. How should you park?
Leave your car in first gear and steer towards the curb. Leave your car in reverse and steer away from the curb. Leave your car in first gear and steer away from the curb. Leave your car in reverse and steer towards the curb.
Answer.
Leave your car in first gear and steer away from the curb.
Question 29. Which of the following is true about a level crossing with user-operated gates?
A. You do not need to close the gates after you cross. B. You can use the railway telephone to check whether it is safe to cross. C. Cross if you have a green light. Answers B and C are correct.
Answer.
Answers B and C are correct.
Question 30. What is the motorway speed limit, unless otherwise signed?
60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers per hour. 70 miles per hour, 112 kilometers per hour. 80 miles per hour, 129 kilometers per hour. 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour.
Answer.
70 miles per hour, 112 kilometers per hour.
Question 31. You approach a red traffic light at a junction. Where must you stop?
Just before the solid white line crossing your side of road. In line with the traffic lights. 1 meter away from the entrance to the junction. Just before the entrance to the junction.
Answer.
Just before the solid white line crossing your side of road.
Question 32. Should you use cruise control on a wet or icy road?
You should use cruise control at a lower speed. Only use cruise control on a straight road. You should use cruise control at the speed limit if safe. No, you should not use cruise control.
Answer.
No, you should not use cruise control.
Question 33. When can you use your hazard warning lights?
When you need to park but there are no car parks available. When you need to stop on the roadway to check for directions. When your stationary vehicle is obstructing traffic. All of the above.
Answer.
When your stationary vehicle is obstructing traffic.
Question 34. Can you overtake another vehicle using a bus lane?
Yes, if there are no buses nearby. Not during the bus lane's hours of operation. No. Only during the bus lane's hours of operation.
Answer.
Not during the bus lane's hours of operation.
Question 35. You are being overtaken. The overtaking car is having trouble getting back in. What should you do?
Speed up so the overtaking car can merge behind you. Stop immediately. Slow down and let the overtaking car back in. Move to the unpaved side of the road.
Answer.
Slow down and let the overtaking car back in.
Question 36. Which of the following hazards may exist during hot weather?
Drowsiness caused by inadequate car air conditioning. Ventilation. Steering and braking affected by a softer road surface. Negative effect on motorists' mood, alertness, and patience. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 37. Which lane should you use on a two-lane dual carriage way?
The right lane only. The left lane so long as you do not hold up traffic. The left lane unless overtaking. The left lane only.
Answer.
The left lane unless overtaking.
Question 38. You are moving off from the curb. Which of the following actions should you avoid?
Check over your shoulder. Use your mirrors. Use your indicators. Sound your horn.
Answer.
Sound your horn.
Question 39. When may you drive across a footpath?
In preparation for a left turn. At any time. When driving onto a property. When there are no available parking spaces available.
Answer.
When driving onto a property.
Question 40. Can you overtake a car on the left-hand side?
Yes, always. Only when the car ahead is traveling at 10 miles per hour, 16 kilometers per hour, or under. Only when the car ahead is signaling to turn right. No, never.
Answer.
Only when the car ahead is signaling to turn right.
Question 41. Which one of the following is true about driving near a bus stop?
A. You have priority when you pass a bus stop. B. You should give any entering bus priority, but only where safe. C. Prepare to stop for pedestrians who enter the road without looking. Answers B and C are correct.
Answer.
Answers B and C are correct.
Question 42. Do any speed special restrictions apply to a car that is towing a caravan or trailer?
Yes, the car must not exceed 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers per hour, on a motorway. Yes, the car must not exceed 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers per hour, on a dual carriageway. Yes, the car must not exceed 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, on a single carriageway. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above.
Question 43. You are driving on icy roads. What can you do to reduce your chance of losing control?
A. Drive in the highest gear possible. B. Drive in the lowest gear possible. C. Try to avoid braking for too long. Answers B and C are correct.
Answer.
A. Drive in the highest gear possible.
Question 44. There has been an accident and you are first at the scene. What is the first thing you should do?
Call 999 or 112. Assess and address any hazards present. Perform first aid on those involved. Remove those involved from their vehicles.
Answer.
Assess and address any hazards present.
Question 45. When may you leave a stationary vehicle's engine running?
Never. Only in traffic and when a vehicle is being diagnosed for faults. At any time. Any time unless the vehicle is unattended.
Answer.
Only in traffic and when a vehicle is being diagnosed for faults.
Question 46. You are entering a roundabout. Who has priority unless otherwise signed?
Vehicles approaching from the left. You have priority. Vehicles approaching from the right. All vehicles on the roundabout must give way to entering traffic.
Answer.
Vehicles approaching from the right.
Question 47. You have been drinking, but you are under the legal limit. When will alcohol start to affect your ability to drive?
Never. You are invincible. Immediately. When you are over the limit. Only when you are tired or haven't eaten recently.
Answer.
Immediately.
Question 48. Which one of the following is true about towing a heavy trailer?
You may have to adjust your headlights after fitting a heavy trailer. Attaching a trailer will alter your car's handling. A heavy trailer may affect your ability to brake. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above.
Question 49. You have missed your exit on the motorway. What can you do?
A. Continue onto the next exit. B. Pull onto the shoulder and carefully reverse to your exit. C. U-turn using a gap in the central reservation. Answers when C.
Answer.
A. Continue onto the next exit.
Question 50. You are driving a little below the speed limit and there are several cars behind you. What should you do?
Pull over where safe and let the following traffic pass. Nothing. The cars behind you will eventually find a chance to pass. Slow down to further encourage the cars behind you to pass. Any of the above.
Answer.
Pull over where safe and let the following traffic pass. Thank you for watching this video and wish you will get your driver license soon.